Many invest in expensive, chemical-laden hair products hoping for great growth and vitality. Yet, frustration lingers with damaged, lifeless hair despite numerous modern solutions. What if the secret is an ancient Japanese tradition? Introducing fermented rice water, a centuries-old beauty secret. This elixir contains inositol, which strengthens hair follicles, balances hormones, and promotes healthier growth. Fermented rice water is rich in vitamins B, C, and E, plus essential minerals for robust hair growth. Fermentation boosts antioxidants crucial for repairing damaged hair cells and protecting strands. Rice water provides amino acids, protein building blocks essential for hair strength, structure, and volume. To make it, rinse any rice thoroughly and collect the water in a clean bowl. Next, soak the rinsed rice in fresh water for 15 to 30 minutes to infuse beneficial properties. Then, ferment the rice water at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Before use, dilute the fermented rice water with fresh water for ideal application consistency. After shampooing, apply the diluted rice water evenly from roots to tips. Leave it on for 20 minutes to let nutrients penetrate, then rinse with clean water. Holistic Japanese hair care emphasizes scalp massage to stimulate circulation, nourish follicles, and reduce stress. A balanced Japanese diet, rich in omega-3s, vitamins, and minerals, plays a key role. Seaweed, salmon, and green tea provide iodine, zinc, omega-3s, and antioxidants vital for hair health. Camellia oil, a traditional Japanese secret, promotes scalp circulation and delivers essential nutrients. Consistent application can lead to stronger, shinier hair and better health, though results vary. Integrate these techniques into your routine, minimizing heat styling and using sulfate-free shampoos. Try the fermented rice water method and other Japanese hair care techniques yourself. Share your experiences in the comments and embrace holistic hair care with patience and consistency.